Down. Liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude. Obviously a major malfunction.
Her spirit on her face, and her hometown loved it.
Krista McAuliffe.
From the outset, with the same ideals she brought to the class.
The teachers took us all out, that V, you know, and the teachers...
is destroyed just a little more than 1 minute after liftoff. It is the worst disaster in the history of the American space program.
Congressional leaders about his State of the Union message scheduled for delivery tonight.
Led me to change those plans. Morning. As they prepared for their journey and waved goodbye and slipped the surly bonds of earth to touch the face of God.
Thank you all.
Everything is go. 5th birthday.